Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi, and you are welcome to your Excel lessons for today. Today, my friend from Rwanda came back again with a challenge, a continuation of what he asked initially the other day. Now he says that he wants, so far as you're able to find the difference, he wants the accounts or the retailer ID which have a difference of 0 not to be highlighted, but the ones where there are differences, they should be highlighted. To do this, we'll use the conditional formatting and or function. So first we'll select our retailer ID. Note that where we have the solution is the difference between the previous data and the current data. So we'll select our retailer ID. We'll go to the conditional formatting. We'll go to new rule. We go to use formula to determine. So in there we use the or function. We are saying a situation where h, so remove the dollar sign in front of the h, is greater than 0, or in a situation where it's less than the dollar in front of the 3 is less than 0, we should format it, give it a brown shade, then we click on OK. So we are saying that where these conditions are satisfied, we should highlight those accounts. So we click on OK. Automatically you can see that the accounts where there were differences are automatically highlighted. This is how smart you can really format the account to show the accounts which results came with the differences. Thank you, and continue to follow us on Consult Diaries. This is a special solution for my friend in Rwanda. Bye bye.